In the eyes of another, we will always sing for each other. This whole world is nothing. Nothing at all. This world doesn't really exist. The only thing that truly exists is space in between space. The consciousness of ether. Space having consciousness. Everything is alive. What's in between the air is truly alive. And everything is consciousness. The material world, the lesser world is nothing. Absolutely nothing, except the only thing that it really is magic. You see, magic, everything in metaphysical science and everything in science is explained magic. Unexplained magic is metaphysical science. We keep seeing multiple interpretations of the same thing. We see, in metaphysical science and in spiritual shops and in New Age philosophies, we see the same things as in witchcraft covens and stuff like that, because it's all really the same, and it's all inspired by Eliphas Levi, transcendental magic. Eliphas Levi inspired in modern days. He inspired Wicca, which is upwards, white magic, and Satanism, which is black magic. He inspired both of them, and in both satanic grottos, which are interesting. It just doesn't really. And in white magic covens of Wicca, they talk about the same thing as in what these New Age philosophers are coming up with. And if you research the Theosophical Society and all that, it all starts really looking the same. And everything just has an interesting and different connection. So we just get inspired by so many different things, but all those different things end up having the same solution, the same mathematical answer. Different questions, but it's all the same mathematical or scientific answers. It's all really kind of the same once you get down to the point. But my biggest point, and the biggest point of all, is that we all have to find our own answers in this world, which is a non-material world where everything exists. Voodoo teaches that life can be hidden in the most simplest things, along with a whole bunch of passages about St. John and St. Jude being voodoo priests. Wicca teaches that, and Thelema as well, Aleister Crowley's religion, they both teach that the magic circle is basically the Orphic egg, which is in comparison to not only the universe, but the single cell. And all of those are in conjunction and basically the same as a Wiccan magic circle for personal protection. In the end, we find everything we want to find. Everything we're meant to find. What we are meant to find comes to us. Sometimes in visions, sometimes as what it seems to be a random event. Sometimes it's really a random event, but it's a random event that's intentional. There are many things that could happen in this life. And many things could always happen to us. We could be the center of change if we truly allowed it.